Hey guys, what's up? It's the third episode of Launch D. Oh, here's Kev. Yeah, he wasn't with me on episode 2 because he was at work. And apparently today is Monday, which is maintenance day. M for Monday.
Maintenance Monday.
Yes, maintenance Monday.
We're starting that. That's a thing now.
Exactly.
We gotta maintain our stomachs too. So
Yeah. I'm not sure if you saw the we'll use the video pretty much where me and Fernando we eat. But so fortunately right now I'm gonna work on a Subaru. I'll show you guys pretty much what I have on the car. As you guys saw the first intro, I have the car pretty much coming to the shop, and it's a 2001 2.5 RS. Now, actually not a STI. I'm actually planning to do a swap pretty soon, maybe about another 50,000 more miles because the car only has 170,000 miles. But usually these,
the head gasket, man.
yeah, the head gasket game.
Head gasket.
Everyone talks about that, but my thing is, make sure you change your oil, make sure you have the right fluids, and don't boost an NA with these cars; they will blow. From what I've heard or from other builders. On top of that, I'll show you guys real quick underneath the chassis what came with the car. I'm actually the second owner of the car, and fucking clean. The rest of the stuff that I did to it was pretty much by me. Let's go underneath real quick. So this car pretty much has, from the first owner, they put pretty much a equal length headers. Obviously 4-to-1, so you guys know it doesn't have a rumble yet. And I've had this car for almost 5 years now. And yeah, there is a leak going on right now. I'm about to do oil change. I'm pretty sure it's some sort of, oil gasket I gotta fix. But anyway, as we go down, pretty much it's all gonna be from the first owner. They all did this themselves. I think it's a CNL equal length header from the previous owner. They say it gives about 20 horsepower. I see a difference from the mid-range when I go about 4,000 RPM when I hit third gear. And the rest is all WRX swap from an actual bug-out. No, 2006. I'm sorry, 2006, and everything's from a WRX body style. Maybe a little bit of a welding process right here. And like I said, this is not from me. This is from the actual owner who actually had the first car. And like I said, I don't see rust much underneath here, but when you go on the side of the panels, there is rust because, like I said, these are tin cans, but they're very light as fuck when you put a EJ series in this thing. Anyway, like I said, they put SPL, Super Performance, adjustable sway bars, and also the tie rods. And also, you have also here the GC8 from version 6 suspension. That's about it for this suspension setup, because this is adjustable right here, and also the toe is not adjustable though. But yeah, that's about it, because they pretty much made this car more of a handling car, and also it's not fast, but on top of that it saves gas, definitely from my part, and obviously it's good on handling pretty much, so I can do a lot of initial D on Mount Akina.
Let's go.
So like I said, right now I'm just trying to save up money to make sure the maintenance is done first. This will be all STI swap, the rest of it from the actual control arm all the way to pretty much the frame, the transmission, it's all going to be swapped out to an STI. I'm looking to do maybe a 207 maybe from a 2005 or 2007 Hawkeye.
Ooh, that would be nice.
Right now the car runs perfect, so I don't want to tinker with much of the motor because it runs perfect. As long as you do maintenance, your timing belt, your spark plugs, tune-ups, etc., and oil change, and the right Subaru fluids for your radiator flush is obviously supposed to be not advanced auto parts, not to bash you guys. Just keep it OEM as possible. But like I said, this car is definitely just for an everyday use, and it will be the camera car for Launch D. So this will be like a transportation for us to go to the shows, and Kev could be driving his car too, or me, or whatever. So I will be doing the oil change in a little bit right now, And yeah, that's about it. Guys, as you guys know, we fast forward everything just to show you guys my oil change and put an air filter in there, and we couldn't do my tire rotation because the VM lift isn't specifically for my car, so I have to use a different lift. I'll put that in a different video. Any last words, Kev?
I'm getting better at oil changes.
But yeah, every Monday we'll be doing maintenance Monday. I'll be doing stuff to the Subaru and the Civic as time goes. So you guys will be seeing a lot of installs and hacks. I'll be showing you guys pretty much some of the things that I'm buying on the long run. You guys did see me on second episode. I'll put the link on it. That I did buy headlights. They're from a 99 to 2000 Civic Si, and those will definitely be going on the EK because I am planning to do a 2000 front. And on top of that, Kev right here will be joining me more on Cars and Coffee or
right now. Make it happen this Friday.
Yeah, hopefully, yeah, pretty much. Hopefully, we'll have more content for you guys for car shows and more, because right now we can't really travel around from state to state because of the COVID. Yeah, it sucks. So hopefully everything will be placed into order next couple of months from now. But right now, pretty much we're just hanging out and getting our merch out and our decal stuff out. But right now, as you guys will be, getting to know me and Kev, we'll be doing a lot of, night shots and stuff like that for the cars that we buy in the long run. So hopefully next couple of months as we go through with Launch D, you guys will hopefully see more of our merch pop up on the IG page.
Oh man.
Yeah, I can't wait. And Kev right here will make sure everything is up to date. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe,
Go follow us on IG.
Yes, please. We need subscribers, followers. Please, guys, support us. You know, we'll be more than happy to, you know, give you guys merch too once everything is into play. Because right now we just started.
Today, anyways, everybody, we appreciate the support.
No, thank you.
Far.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
66 views in just the past 2 days. Like, to be honest, from like the small area that we're in, it honestly, I'm very surprised that people even gave a shit to even watch our video. You know, 66 views, you know, that's not bad. I'm actually pretty pleased with that. You know, we got over 20 followers on IG already in the past few days. Our YouTube is at 12 followers, you know.
I think we have now 20 subscribers already.
Subscribers on YouTube.
So hopefully we can do a 50.
Yeah.
50, please,
man.
50.
Even if that's in like the first
50.
like, month or something.
Oh yeah, the end of the month of January at least, hopefully. But if not, we'll still have a lot of blessings. Saying thank you for watching the channel. Other than that, like I said, like, subscribe, and Happy New Year's. Peace out.
We out.